my loves. So today I am going to be pouring on my favorite walnut hollow pieces with my absolute favorite DecoArt paint. So first of all, I wanted to say a big thank you to Walnut Hollow and DecoArt for sending me these amazing products. If you've watched any of my videos on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram, you know that I'm completely obsessed with my walnut hollow wood pieces. This is actually the biggest piece I've ever poured on. So this is a 15.5 by 13.5 wood piece. I think I'm going to be using it as a centerpiece. I think it's really big, it's really sturdy, so super excited for that. Also, I love my DecoArt paints, you know that, and these are their new Americana premium paints which pour amazingly. So before a lot of you get upset at me, I am not going to cover the entire wood piece. Why? Because what I do here, I haven't put resin on here yet, but when I pour and I leave a little bit of the wood, once this is dry, I do add a coat of art resin afterwards, and this wood, the color darkens up. It becomes a beautiful color, and you can see all the little grains, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful wood piece. Why am I going to cover the entire thing? So don't be upset with me. I know some of you get really, really mad when I don't cover the whole thing, but that is why I don't cover the entire piece. So here's an example of why I leave the little area. So on this one right over here, as you can see, the color is a lot more amber, it's golden, it's brown, it's just this really rich wood color. This little area right over here, the resin got soaked into the wood, so I do need to reapply it here, but you can see the difference, and you can see that it's a lot more lively, it's really deep, it's a beautiful amber color. So just a few things. Today I am going to be mixing my paints with Floetrol and silicone. So these are the brands that I use, and I will be putting description links of all these materials in the video, so make sure you look at that. And if I need to, I'm not sure if I will, I might add a little bit of just plain regular water to my paint to just thin it out a little bit. Besides that, guys, everything else I get, remember, I get from the dollar store. I get my cups, I get my craft sticks, I get my gloves, everything from the dollar store, so make sure you're economic and you save money. And that's about it, so here we go. So today's colors are going to be Cobalt Teal Hue, Primary Magenta, Cadmium Orange Hue. From the Dazzling line, we are going to be using Splendid Gold and Worn Penny.